Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into how to make a copy of your data from Gmail on your PC with the latest updates. Let's simplify this process into easy steps. First, open your web browser and head over to myaccount.google.com. This is your central hub for all things Google account related. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Privacy and Personalization. Click on Manage Your Data and Privacy. This is where you can take control of your information. Now scroll down until you find the option that says Download or Delete Your Data. Click on Download Your Data. This will direct you to the Google Takeout page, where you can download your data easily. On the Takeout page, it's a good idea to click on Deselect All at the top. This way, you can focus specifically on Gmail. Go through the list and check the box next to Gmail to include it in your download. Afterward, if you want to refine your selection further, click on the options available for Gmail. This allows you to see if there are any specific categories you may want to exclude. Once you've made your selections, scroll down and click on Next Step. Here, you can choose how you'd like to receive your data. Click the small arrow beneath Delivery Method to explore your options. You can also set the frequency of your downloads, the file size, and the type of file you prefer. After finalizing your preferences, simply click Create Export. And that's it. Your Gmail data is on its way. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.